flurry for Boots, and he caught him with a left there.
You know, JARON Ennis is...
Good shots there by Boots. Body, not forgetting the body. Boots beating up Chukas. 7. EIMANTAS STANIONIS.
World JARON Boots Ennis.
Very surprising decision win.
Somewhat. This is a very physical fight so far.
Nice flurry for Boots, and he caught him with a left there.
You know, JARON Ennis is...
Good shots there by Boots. Body, not forgetting the body. Boots beating up Chukas. 7.
JARON is so relaxed in there.
Straight overhand left body shot, 3-4 punch combination, and down goes Sosa to a knee.
Combination together very well, placing it very well. I think that straight left was what hurt.
You mentioned Juice Young and Lamana earlier. He just drew with Tommy Renault. He's got some pretty good wins at the Sosa down in the Dominican Republic. Oh, there's a big shot. And down goes Sosa again. And Sosa may not get up. In fact, Ennis
hasn't been stopped a lot.
he came right on the air. That was just the appetizer. This next fight that's coming up.
By wiping out Haner.
Two good body shots from Ennis. The other thing for a young guy, though, he's so in control.
Yeah.
You know, he's an action fighter, yes. But he obviously comes in there with an idea, here's what I want to try to do. Again, a counter left hand. 3-punch combination from Ennis. Fernandez covers up. All those shots are getting there from Ennis.
How much of that can Fernandez take?
Good right hand. Big right hand. A left hand to the top of the head. Double shot to the body and a left hand to the head. Fernandez almost took a knee, but he managed to get up, and now he does take a knee.
2, 3, 4, 9.
110 left uppercut to the midsection is coming.
Fernandez.
Now he's
done. No, I think that's it.
No, that's it too.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's what it was. No mas.
Well, you know what he's... EIMANTAS STANIONIS.
Gentlemen, you received your instructions earlier. Protect yourselves at all times. Obey my commands. Touch gloves. Touch gloves, I said. Showtime. Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. When I say touch gloves, you touch gloves. Don't hit him. Touch gloves. Fight at the bell.
Not 3.
And he's still...
Right hand from Ennis. And a left hand dropped him. Clean shot.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You all right? You want to continue?
How's that back?
And a welt.
Yeah.
Another good shot.
Solid.
Chopping right hand missed. Alvarez tried. Left hand. This is not going to go far.
The talent and natural ability here is just huge. Left hook to the body.
And just dropped him to a knee and a little bit of a delayed reaction.
I love it.
6, 7, 8, 9.
You want to continue? You had enough? You want to go?
From Ennis. Ennis misses with that left hand. Still more than a minute to go. A jab to right hand, left hand. And that's it. Should be it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You all right? You okay?
If he goes down one more time, you could be sure referee's going to stop.
Yes, as he should. Accommodate. Good shot to the body again. Chopping right hand. Alvarez in trouble again. His hands drop. And he goes to a knee, and that's it. It is over. 4 knockdowns. Ennis came